Good morning, we're at it again here with the GuildUSA app and Appliance Repair American. You got Mark here and you got the chief engineer himself right here, Jacob, Captain Jake. And we got someone they called the bot and they need a simple dishwasher install. So we're prepared with the new drain hose and such in case they don't have it. It was all there in the app. It told us what we needed, the address, all the customer contact. We used the app to message the client that we're on time. And we bought a hand truck with us because we're going to take away the old one because her condo association won't let us leave it by her dumpster. So we'll report after it's done. Hopefully it'll go smooth, and it's one of those flexible hoses and not one of those hard copper ones that make it a little bit of a pain in the ass. Hopefully we just yank it right out, slap a new one in. Get out and get it, people. It's a beautiful day. All right, so that went pretty smooth, nothing terribly unexpected. We took away our old one. You can kind of see it in the back seat of the Tesla Model Y there right now. Jake, what did you find there? Anything interesting in particular?
No, it was one of the dishwashers where they have it pretty disconnected from the sink, and it does have to connect to the disposal or the drain under the sink. So they got this weird tube that just runs behind everything. So it wasn't just a simple hookup. There's a couple more hose clamps involved. You had to make sure it doesn't leak. So I always do 2 to 3 tests before I push it back in, as you just don't know with old houses plumbing. You just don't know. So it's always worth the extra 30 seconds to check.
So it wasn't directly adjacent next to the sink. Mm-hmm. It was a couple cabinets away from the actual sink.
Yeah, so they had a 6-foot extender. So there's a couple more leak points. Just good to check everything. So that way you don't have to go back.
All right, you heard it from the chief engineer. Get out and get it, people. It's a beautiful day. Go to GuildUSA.com.
Automate your business with GuildUSA.com.